Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to switch your TikTok account back to a personal account. If you're currently using a business account and want to go back to a more casual setup, this tutorial will help you do it. So let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open your TikTok app on your phone. Make sure you log in into the account you want to switch. Once you're inside the app, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, just like so. So this will take you to your main profile page where you can see your posts, followers, and overall account details. Now look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a three-line menu icon. Tap on that. This will open up a side menu where you can access more options and settings. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy. This section contains all the important controls of your account, so including privacy, security, and account type settings. After opening Settings and Privacy, scroll down a bit until you find the Account section, then tap on Account. So it will open more options related specifically to your account. So inside the Account section, you'll see different options depending on your account type. So if you're using a business account, you should see an option labeled Switch to a personal account. So go ahead and tap on that option. So TikTok will usually show you a confirmation prompt just to make sure you really want to switch. This because changing your account type may affect certain features like analytics or promotional tools that are only available for business accounts. Now, if you're sure, simply confirm your choice and that's it. Your account will now be switched back to a personal account. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. Thank you for watching.